A question that we hear quite often at Fire Mountain is, when you say 10 millimeters, what does that mean? Or, I have a 10 millimeter bead, but how do I pair that up with something that's 20 millimeters? What is the difference? A caliper is the perfect solution to helping you make all of those decisions and figuring out all those measurements. This is a digital caliper, which will give you a digital, very exact readout. The battery is already installed. I'll push the on-off button. Make sure that the points are closed completely, and then if for any reason that your readout is anything but 0, you would just put the 0 button, and then that'll clear your measurement so that you're sure once you use it, it's true. And then depending on whether you're going for inches or millimeters, you would then just push the blue button, and it'll toggle between the two. I have this blue Swarovski bead in front of me, and I'm going to open the calipers, close it down so that I'm sure I'm at the widest point of the bead, and then I'm just going to flip it up and look at my readout, and it's 24.86. When you need to find the whole size of something, I will flip the calipers over and I will work them in reverse, or these points work in reverse, and I will extend that, flip it over so you can see it, and that is a 9.93 millimeter hole. That's a great way to know how that's going to work with something, depending on what your design is. If you have a donut and you need a bail, or if you have a bail and you need a donut, the best way to figure out the size of the donut space where the bail will live, again, is to go and measure that distance. Once you have that measurement, you can then pair it to its mate and put that design together. There are smaller sized digital calipers available, and there is a pocket size, which makes it great for when you're out shopping and you need to make something and you don't know exactly what you're buying, but you know what you need to pair it to. This caliper in particular also has a depth gauge, which if you needed to measure the depth of something, you just turn that wheel, and then the depth gauge comes out of the bottom, and at the same time, my measurement is being displayed at the top, and that's about 20 millimeters. I did measure the depth of our large comprehensive catalog for this year, and it came in at a whopping 30 millimeter size. Enjoy.